The untold story of Ward 5 KwaMabuza. It is a story of pain, neglect and betrayal. It is a story of people who have been denied the very basic service that affirms human dignity. For decades, families here have lived without clean water. Mothers, fathers and children walk long distances just to fetch a bucket of water. This is not 1975. This is 2025. And yet the people of KwaMabuza still faces conditions that remind us of the apartheid era. There is still no electricity. The entire community remains trapped in darkness, trapped in poverty, trapped in permanent underdevelopment. There are no flushing toilets, no clinics to provide health care, no recreational facilities for children, for the youth or the elderly. The roads remain unattended, cutting the community off during the rainy season. Ambulances cannot reach people in emergencies, and not even one school, not one, has been built to bring education closer to this community. These conditions prove beyond doubt that the municipality has abandoned KwaMabuza. The Msugalikwa local municipality has abandoned KwaMabuza. But instead of delivering services, they have chosen to bring a new wound to this community. The Ermelo Ring Road project. This road, designed for heavy freight trucks, is now being forced through KwaMabuza. Families are being relocated into temporary asbestos houses. Asbestos, a material that's deadly to human health, yet it is being used on our people as if their lives are disposable. After all this indignity, the municipality offers a once-off grocery voucher, 600 rand. 600 rand, an insult, not compensation. An insult to families who will lose their homes. An insult to families who will lose their livestock, their gardens, their dignity. There's been no proper consultations. The voice of the people of KwaMabuza have been silenced. This project brings no clear benefits, only loss and displacement. So today we demand answers. Why families being forced into asbestos houses in 2025? What is the full budget for this project? And how much is set aside for resettlement? How many families will be affected? What will happen to their livestock, their children, their chickens, their goats, their crops? What happens to the unemployed, to the families who survive only on small-scale farming? And why, after all these years, has KwaMabuza still been denied water, electricity, sanitation, schools, clinics, and proper roads? We demand fairness. We demand transparency. We demand accountability. The municipality has 14 days to respond. 14 days to treat the people of Ward 5 with dignity they deserve. If they fail, we will mobilize. We will march peacefully to the Ermelo Civic Center. We will raise our voices until they can no longer be ignored. As Umkhonto Party, we affirm today, we stand with the people, we stand with the poor, the voiceless, and the marginalized. We will not allow projects that strip our people of their homes and dignity while bring them no benefits. This struggle is not only about service delivery, it is about justice. It is about human rights. It is about respect for dignity of our people. KwaMabuza deserves better. Our people deserves better. And will not stop until justice is done.
Isithunzi somuntu omnyama ukuthi abe nendawo eright for umndeni wakhe yokuthi bahlala. Now lento abayakhe lapha even the RDP la oqala awasingaka. Sinabantwana thina singabantu abamnyama, sinama extended family, sigada abashana.